Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Royal AM 1. I'm joined by
Tenzo.
London.
Ash.
Remember kitale ko wena?
Yeah.
Yes.
Steve ne ke nyako se bana go ke tlo bolanthe ngwe enyane fela. Steve Sundowns is dangerous. Wa ibona lo wena just like last season. Mara ntwe Chiefs e thoma nge tlo ipalla. Wa ntshwara no ke nyako advisor Chiefs fela. Ntwe Chiefs ba thoma nge tlo ipalla. Tlo ba palla. Ya hore batle imo. Ya hore batle imo ba tlo boela style of player Sundowns so hore bona ba khono ja Sundowns. Ka jona o tletse ma Chiefs ka mara itsuru ma Chiefs a tlo etsang le coach ya bona ba re ke Nabi.
Why le
mara ba tlo bona style of player Downs hore ba khono stop Downs so. Advice ke nyako ba fang yona Steve a ba tse tšhelete ba berekisetsang petrol le ditikete ba reka di quality plus tse tlo jang Sundowns.
Yes
fela Steve a se gore ba tlo tlala ka mo fonte ba sa etseng gore ba tletseng.
Thank you Chaka.
Steve,
amen member.
Steve, I just want to respect the way in hore nako ke nyane ka teng.
Yes.
But here's the thing.
Yes.
Downs, it will humble you. Nabi will a different Downs come.
Sure.
Come calling Black Label.
Yes.
It will be a different Downs all together. My man of the match, the Famukulisi.
Yes.
It's fine. But then now, Zwani is out, ne?
Yes.
Bibo is back.
He's back.
Bibo is back.
He's back.
I'm telling you, ne?
Bibo is back.
Bibo and Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Also, same WhatsApp group. And but since it's okay. Let me give a
Steve. Sure, man.
You hold the general pale.
Hey.
We just Sundowns hetang.
Sundowns ya beta.
Okay, ara Sundowns ya beta. Na ke a kenya go senya
Whoa.
Steve, a kenya go senya. Ara ona tlape ka fokotsang speed sa Sundowns.
Sure.
General are boele ko loko.
Hey.
Sundowns to this season it let's off it, but this time of the top 4 game 5 game already it's a league.
Yes.
Mara you can tell now the difference, 2 goals, 1 goal. Pirate is there.
Yes.
Drop.
Pirate.
Bo, yeah, drop. Today bonore na ba irang. Royal AM ne ba palla. Sundowns to be le mo gaming first 25 minutes Sundowns ne le mo gaming.
Yes.
Ne? But after 26 minutes ho ya kwa Royal AM ne thomo press thomo tsena even though aba berekisa di chances tse ba di kry-ile.
Yes.
Wa tlhaloganya hona le space se lunga na latlhile position ya hae ba beile motho a shumo a ke tore ke Maxwell o re ke mang diamond space se le ke sone ne tshwantse ba bolesa Sundowns ka sone di chances tse Royal AM di kry-ileng ya di berekisa yeah done finish aba di berekisa but thank you ba di kry-ileng ke re bolela language eng
why asabe sa change tsa le magesi Steve why ampuse the chance ya di warning
Steve analyze game ka game fitile magesi arbolela ka game ya ka
Steve if my pirate akona analyze a game akona bona di poster Sundowns ngeba analyze game ka magesi ngeba bithile magesi the fact ke konya konfantsona tsa mo di fa Juice Reviro a di berekise for next time a tlhagana le magesi a itsuru o etsang
artole politiki re bolela ka bolo Steve artole politiki re khone tswalla Grootman a se yona ne credit to Mamelodi Sundowns Grootman re bolela ka football ona bjano re sa ira metlae 4 game 12 points 10 goal.
Yes.
But hona le team as opponent position number 2
Pirates
4 games 8 goals 9 points.
Yeah.
So 12 ke Sundowns Grootman. Braga e tswalle Steve.
Kana ikwa